Hi, I'm Rashi. I'm really passionate about creating things with 3D printing. The Makerspace at our school has been an incredible journey for me. Firstly, I would like to thank our school for providing us with this amazing Makerspace. Learning new skills here has been a rewarding experience. My favorite skill in Makerspace is 3D printing. I love this skill as it helps me bring my ideas to life in a tangible way. Most of my creations that I have made using 3D printing are cute creatures or Japanese-based video game or cartoon characters. One of my recent creations that I made with my friend is a mini prototype of a mood lamp. I would like to thank my maker managers who have been very helpful, attentive and have guided us throughout our journey. When I was new to 3D printing, they really helped me when I was struggling to calibrate with the 3D printer. My overall journey in Makerspace has been eye-opening and insightful. I am looking forward to continuing my journey in Makerspace and trying out new fun projects. Thank you to everyone who has made this experience possible.